Welcome to Learn About Astronomy, and this is the night sky for Thursday, May 8th, 2014. First, a little question that I have to answer because it's been asked a few times by some of my viewers. Why do I post a video for every day instead of doing a video for each week? Well, I thought it was better to actually do this every day, since it's easier, because if you're out, for example, in watching the night sky on a certain date, well, instead of going through the video and fast forward to where we are and not really knowing where we are, you can actually now just click on the video for that evening, and you know what's on to look at and what's in your night sky. So it's easier actually, because now you just click on the date. I think it's much better like that. And if you bring out the your cell phone or any device that has Wi-Fi, maybe in your backyard, well, you can actually watch the video and spot the planets as you are actually watching the video for that evening. So of course, sun is setting a little later now. We're more into 8:05 p.m. or something like that around this area as May progress and as we're getting into summer. And I'm sure with here we had a very hard winter this year, and it's been a long time. Actually, it's been apparently like 20 or 25 years since we've had such a cold and snowy winter. As the sun sets, we have Jupiter very high in the west-southwest. Quite nice. If you have a small telescope, you can watch the 4 brightest moons of Jupiter. We have a waxing gibbous moon that's high in the sky in the south east or southeast. Mars, it's getting closer to Mars, as you are actually seeing, and you can actually use the moon to find planets. Earlier in the month, you've seen that it passed Jupiter, and now it's going to go close to Mars on these evenings. So it's a nice sight, and actually it's also going to get close to Saturn later. So that's another way to actually find planets. Use the moon to help you find planets. It's very important, because sometimes you're not sure of what you're watching, and it's normal, and that is something that you actually acquire with experience. I can spot pretty much all of these planets easily, but that's because I've been watching the sky since I was about 10 years old. So Saturn rising pretty much as the sun is setting. It's very close to what we call opposition, and that will happen on May 10th. Then as the nighttime progress, Jupiter will set around midnight 30. The moon will set a little later on around 2:30, 2:45, followed by Mars and Saturn, of course, later in the night. And if you are a early morning riser, well, what's especially nice to see is you can watch Saturn in the west-southwest. Quite low, but still visible, and Venus to the east rising as a very bright star. It's almost impossible not to spot Venus. It's just so bright in the night sky. So that's pretty much what we have for Thursday, May 8th, 2014. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe? Why not let everybody know that we have these little videos showing the night sky, planets, and moon, and of course special events when they happen. And hopefully you enjoy our videos. Maybe you have questions, maybe you have suggestions, maybe you have something you'd like us to make a video of regarding astronomy. Let us know, and hope to see you again soon on Learn About Astronomy. Bye-bye.